In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to a template or snippet in HubSpot. Personalization tokens are a powerful way to make your communications more engaging by dynamically inserting personalized content such as a contact's name or company details directly into your templates or snippets. This can greatly enhance your customer interactions by making them feel more tailored and personal. To get started, you'll need to be logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar of your dashboard. This is where you'll find most of the navigation options you need. You'll want to click on the More option. This button might be labeled differently depending on your account settings, but it's generally found towards the bottom of the sidebar, providing access to additional tools and settings within HubSpot. After opening the More menu, the next step is to click on CRM. The CRM section is where you can manage your customer relationships, and it's the hub for accessing tools like templates and snippets that help streamline your communication processes. Once you're in the CRM area, look for the Snippets option and click on it. Snippets are short, reusable text blocks that you can use in your emails and other communications. They save you time by allowing you to insert common phrases or pieces of text quickly. Now that you're in the Snippets section, you'll want to create a new snippet. You can do this by clicking on the Create Snippet button. This is where you'll begin constructing your personalized content. When creating your snippet, you'll have the option to add personalization tokens. These tokens act as placeholders for specific information that will autofill with the relevant data when you use the snippet. For example, you might include a token for the contact's first name, which will automatically populate with the recipient's name when the snippet is used in an email. To add a personalization token, simply click within the text area of your new snippet. Then look for the Personalization Token button, usually represented by a small icon that looks like a contact card or similar. Clicking this will open a menu where you can choose from a variety of tokens, such as contact name, email, company name, and more. Select the ones that best suit your needs and insert them into your snippet at the appropriate places. Once you've added all the tokens you need and formatted your snippet to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your snippet is ready for use whenever you need it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize personalization tokens in HubSpot to make your communications more personal and impactful.